Hi, it's been a while. Yes, it's been a while. Alright, let's go straight to the point. My name is Theo. I still remain that same name, that same boy, that same guy. Welcome to Theo World. Okay, today I will be taking you through on plural eyes. Yes. A lot of people have been using these plural eyes, but they don't know how to face the challenges. I had this challenge. I started asking questions online, started browsing for it. No one. It's unfortunate that no one was able to give me solution. So I had to take my time and take my own cat out of the box to find out what the problems are. Okay, fine. First of all, this is my desktop. I'm going to open our PluralEyes. Okay, PluralEyes 4. So here is the app. You go to your file and go to import, add media, or you go to add media here, then synchronize. No, but normally the simple way and professional way to do it as fast as possible, just to be making it very fast. You know, time is money. Don't start making even. Let's go straight to the point. What the thing is just go from here, go to your file. This is the dialog aroma. This is the sound. This is the converted camera. This is cam 1. I converted the cam 1. This is my cam 2. This is cam also. But we're not going to make use of this cam 1 also because I converted what I had here to this. So now the first thing is to take in my sound. But it's not must that it should be the first thing. Anything can be the first thing. Cam 1 can be first. Cam 2 can be second. Anything can be first. So this is the audio. I have the audio ready and it says 31 clips ready to synchronize. Okay, let's get the video. I have cam 2. So I'm bringing the cam 2 in. So look at it's loading. PM. You are wondering why my computer is so fast. Yes, this is RTX 9th generation 8 gig dedicated graphics laptop. 4K, fine. Can you see that immediately I bring in this cam 2? It showed me something, media preparation complete with error. I want you to, okay, if for example you have not encountered this before and this is your first time of encountering this, you know, your mind will just feel you and say, what is wrong with my system? Has my computer crashed? As my the footage is bad. No, bro, nothing is wrong with your system. Nothing is wrong with the system. Nothing is wrong with the software. You have only one thing wrong with this very warning or condition. We are going to solve it, but before then, let's bring in the second camera, the other one, the converted one. This is the converted one, which will make it cam 1. Okay, now break that. Here is loading. What? I don't wanna hear you pick mic. As the thing is loading, let's be waiting. No more. Done. Call my name. Call my name. Okay, it's ready. Now take a look at it. We still have the warning. Now just take a look at this particular side. You see the caution here that show that what is wrong with this particular thing that made this software to give us this warning. Media preparation completed with error is in cam 2. Not in cam 1 converted. That's why I have this caution here. So what's the problem exactly? It's very simple. as simple as ABCD. Take a look at these very clips to the end. You see that you have a red sign here that shows you that a particular clip there is having error. Let's zoom very well. You can zoom with your plus on your keyboard Windows. Use your plus, zoom very well. You will see, look at it here. You put your cursor close to it. It will tell you that video 001 depending on the name of your file. Video 001 depending on the name of your file is having issue. Don't worry about it. All you have to do to sort your issue, to find out, get a biro, get a pen, know the particular clip that is having issue, jot it down. If you have more than one, you have more than two, you have more than three, or you have 20 that has this thing, just take your time, list the name of those clip that has the red warning. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I have jotted it down. The clip that is having this issue here is video 001. Video 001. I've jotted it down. So let me know where the clip is. I will say, okay, no, show me in Explorer. Show me where it is from where I imported it from. Okay, I open. Look at the clip here. This is the very clip that is having the problem here. Now, I have taken a note that this particular thing or this particular clip is the clip that is giving me issues. I say, okay, I'll minimize this. Then come to this place and say, right click again. Then say, remove selected clip. Take a look. It's good now. We are good to go. Look at the comment now. 91 clips ready to synchronize. Very simple. Now, the question will be, what now happens to the one that I removed? Yes, I know the clip very well. When I get into when I get into my editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci or any other software that you're using, you bring in that particular one that is having issue, if it is very important to you or if it is an important shot like CU master or cut away or cut in, you bring it in manually to where it's supposed to be, then sync your audio manually with it. PluralEyes is a syncing audio and video software. It might not get it correctly. There are some certain projects you will try to sync. It will frustrate you. All you have to do is to do it manually. Fine. Now this is it. I got this now. And take a look now. This particular part that I'm about to take you through is very, very important, very, very vital. This part has made a lot of people, they hate PluralEyes so much with passion. This particular part has made a lot of editors have decided not to ever have anything to do with PluralEyes. You that is using PluralEyes for the first time, be very, very careful. Watch very, very careful. This part will frustrate you. This part will make you never to get close to PluralEyes, but it's very simple. Now look at this. Our video, our clips and audio are ready to synchronize. But here are the frustrating parts of it. Take a look. Have you seen that? It says something of 2 tracks or whatever it would be. Then we had only 3 channels here before. PluralEyes have decided to use its own hand, its own command automatically to create different channels for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra 5 channels. What the hell? Who's ready to use that? This is not what I asked you to do, sir. So what I will do now, sometimes when you get to this stage, you get confused. You say, what happened? Now, and at this particular point, the shots will not synchronize. It will not synchronize sortedly the way you shot it, just like the way you have clip 1. You shot your master as clip 1, your CU as clip 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What just happened here now is that it might take your CU from this particular point to the last. The reason why we are using PluralEyes is for it to synchronize the audio for us and the video, Now, why are you getting our work scattered? So the best thing to do now is to tell PluralEyes that I don't want you to scatter my video. I don't want you to decide for me. Allow me to decide myself. Then where do we go and do it? Some people don't know where to get those settings from. Now, nothing here to see. Nothing here. There's nothing like setting. You come to this, you just see synchronize, cancel, synchronize, and all that. This and this and that and that. This has nothing like settings for you to do it. That's where people get confused. Now look at what to do. It's very simple. Simply come to here, synchronize, cancel the synchronizing that is going on, or come to this place, cancel it from here, and I've cancelled. Everything will now go back the way it was, or the way I synchronized before. And I say, okay, now Oga, no come dey frustrate me. Don't come dey tell me what you want to do. What I will do now, I'll go to this place, each clips like this, right click. Have you seen where the settings are? That's where PluralEyes fuck everything up. Every sentence, it's on each channel. Add media. Track contains music, video, text. Look at where our problems are. Allow synchronize to change clip order. Who send you? When we're talking about allow PluralEyes to change sync order, your order of your video, like 1 MOV1, 002, 003, 004, Adobe PluralEyes will now change everything to taking your 1 to 30, taking your 30 to 1. It will shovel everything and scatter your clips for you. No, I will tell no, Oga, don't. I will mark it. I'm not allowing you, Oga. Then the second one will now pop in and tell you, allow synchronize to split tracks, to give you multi-tracks. That was the reason why we had extra 5 tracks. Oga, don't give me. Don't give me. What are you giving me for? Leave it the way I want it. Remove it, sir. Then we are done with this particular track cam 2. Let's check this one. You still have it there again. Oga, go. Right click again to confirm. After removing, you confirm again and again to be very sure. Then go to this. We still have it on the audio part. Go, sir. I don't want you. Fine. Good. We are good to go. See the miracle. Everything will go in order the way you shot it. No disorder. No trying to confuse you. Nothing. Just the way you shot your clips. Just the way you want your clips to be. Just the way the camera arranged it. Just the way it was shot. Everything will come sequentially. No disorder. Let's click the synchronize. Watch. Now juju is miraculous. You don't like it? I like it. I like it. When I searched for this, nobody was there to tell me, to explain this particular thing to me the way I did it for you. Now, it has not ended here. Let me take you to the third phase of it. Very important. Now, we now go to the third phase, which is export timeline. I say, okay, no problem. Let me export the timeline. I'll click on the export the timeline. It will give me something like this. Here, save file is where you want to save it to. So, okay, I want to save it. These are the ones I have saved before. So, okay, I don't want to save it in this particular place, which is this PC, document, Red Giant, and PluralEyes. No, I don't want to save it here. I want to save it inside where my projects are, or where my project is. Okay, this is it. Okay, I say okay. This is computer. Where the hard drive? Yeah. This is it. Yeah. Then I'll create a folder here, and I might call it synced. Okay. Fine. I'll open it then and call it whatever thing I want to name it. Sync. Sync version. Anything you feel like you want to name it. Anything you feel like you want to name your file. So I will say okay, save. It can save sync version SML. The SML you are seeing here is the output. The output that PluralEyes gives out after synchronizing, so that you can be able to make use of it in any editing software that supports SML. I need to do a tutorial on Premiere Pro for beginner. Keep your comments below the comment section, and I will try my possible best to have a tutorial for you on it. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share to people, and don't forget to tell people where you got this help from. Thank you so much.